All right. We might as well start. Just give me 2 seconds. My screen's displayed. There we go. I'm just adjusting the volume on my headset. All right. I hope everyone's going well today. Today, what we're trying to do is... actually, no, this can't actually happen in a new object. Projects. We're going to add in the ability for people to add in images and so forth like that. This will actually have a second sort of feature where these images are automatically added down here. That's going to be perfectly fine. So, yeah. Alright, I've got my notes for NearBeach right there. I've got my work notes. I'm just going to move those. So, they're over there and covered. That can go over there. Sorry, I'm just cleaning up the desk very quickly. Oh, sorry about that. Okay. Cool. But before we do that, I've got to quickly do one thing. I'm just going to remove the prices. So I still want to keep this in. So one thing which I can do is I can unpublish. So then we shouldn't have that issue. So we're only getting self-hosting up here, which is fine. What we need to also do is remove these two and just have free. So if we go to home, we go to pricing, delete, save and publish. The good thing with Braco is it has the ability to undo all this. And then we go refresh. We've only got one in there. Now we've got to center that sort of thing. Right. MX Auto, right. Be class no grid LG grid calls. Okay, tail blocks, tailwind CSS. Sorry, this will be very quick. Docs center. That. All right. I'm just going to get rid of the pricing at the moment. So what I'll do is I'll revert this. So we can go in here, actions. How do we do it again? Roll back. All right, maybe not, but that's fine. Partial views, master, home, price. So we're getting rid of, I think, these two. Top two. Oh, sorry, just getting... All right. No, pricing still stays. All right, cool. So we've gotten rid of the pricing. The idea is we just want people to self-host at the moment. So, yeah, we'll put in a little post being like self-host and so forth like that, which will be similar to the pricing. So if we actually undo that, the pricing widgets. Be similar. Oh, all right. Should log me out. All right. So it'll be similar to this, except we would want to center stuff in. Oh yeah. Okay. All right, let's get back to this. So what we want to do is we want to implement this particular functionality everywhere else. Now, we can't implement a media functionality on a new project. So for example, if I go to new project, we can't actually insert any images in here. We've actually made a note over here, media files cannot be uploaded until after you save. This is a security feature. The real reason being is that every single media file is connected to an object. That media file then takes that object's permissions to determine if a user should access that media file. It's just one of those sort of things. Until we have more complicated permissions around documents and all that kind of stuff, this is how it will have to be. Yeah. So what we're doing is we're starting off with requirements. So at the moment, let's see if we can drag and drop this in. No for requirement information. So let's get started with this. So, I was doing RFCs. I was doing RFCs first. If I yank that and paste it in, we're getting nothing at the moment, which is really weird. just want to check one thing. Oh, yeah. So if I go console, we don't have any errors or anything like that, but we might be clashing with other stuff on here too. So we've got other different components on here with the Tiny Mouse text editor. But let's first focus on the request for change. So if we go and close all this, go RFC information. We'll notice that the description is there. So we need to go into RFC description, and we'll notice that the editor is here. So file picker types is image, just double checking that with the project, and file picker types equals image, yep. So single quotes, yep. Images, upload handler, upload image. Menu bar files, plugins. Yep, I'm happy with all that. Now we're going to see if the upload mixin is here. So yep, upload mixin, upload mixin, upload mixin, and then we got to make sure it goes to upload image. So upload image is here. Let's add in the got here. Gonna make sure that it's still compiling. Yep, still running this. Sweet. Just gonna hit refresh. Gonna copy. Nothing. Nothing there either, nothing there either, nothing there either, and nothing there either. All right, this is a bit of a concern. Okay. Just removing it from everywhere else. All right, let's hit refresh. Oh, there we go, there we go. All right. Just took a little while to do that. Why is that taking forever? Okay, that's really weird. Okay, I'm scratching my head over that. So it will eventually work. Food? Huh? All right. Let's close all of these. Let's figure this out.
Did you want to?
Yes. Thank you. What? Yeah.
The artwork on the bottom.
Oh! That does look funny. Where they're like, and they're just pushing. Yep. All right. Need to put project information here. So let's just double check that I've actually typed out the things correctly. It was late at night when I was doing this. All right. Okay. Save that. Hit reload. Let's check out network. Doesn't look like anything's broken. Now, last time it happened when I did it 5 times.
Are you hungry now?
I've only had the noodles today. And at breakfast. Yes. Huh. All right, let's look this up. All right. Try to use the copy paste puncher and tiny mouse editor, but I noticed that the paste puncher doesn't work. I removed all the plugins with the clean. I'm gonna fix it. All right. Same sort of thing. Am I not calling this? So upload mix in. Upload mix in. All right. Yep. Scroll down. The only difference is essentially that. All right. Okay. And then I've got mix-ins. Mix-ins and then upload mix-in. Yeah, alright. I might have to strip this code out of everywhere else where I put it. Won't take too long. Hey Devoid, how are you? I hope you're going well. I've come across a weird issue, so I'm just stripping out all the code I've done. Because I did it like at 9 o'clock at night when I was on the bullet train. I'm going well, thank you. I'm still in South Korea till the end of this week, and then Thailand. It's been fun. I've highly enjoyed it. Alright, and then the test plan. I've still got to see the movie Bullet Train, now that I've been on a bullet train, with Brad Pitt in it. The movie has Brad Pitt in it, not the bullet train. All right, let's hit reload. Let's first just do the drag and drop. Didn't like it. All right, let's do the copy. This is weird. Oh, I better check I'm on the right screen. Yep, on the right screen. So I'm having an issue. You're probably here by me frantically typing. If I do a refresh, okay, let's say I paste an image. It doesn't paste. Paste it 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It'll eventually paste. Now, if I get the same image, let's actually go over to a project. I can just paste it in really easily. It's the same code, so I don't know what's happening here to get it to lock up. Another weird thing is if we got this little flashing thing, okay, cursor, if then drag and drop works. Alright, so the cursor disappears if I drag over it. Okay, that's normal behavior. Yeah! And it's the same essential code, so I've got a mix in, upload mix in, which will handle the upload. With the editor itself, file types, image, of course. image upload handler, upload image, and then add in the paste stuff. And that should be it. I tell you what, let's write this down as a bug. Cannot paste images into RFC. Currently, at the moment, there is an issue pasting images into the tiny mouse widget on an RFC. This can. Alright, it requires multiple quick pastes on the board. Alright, so this is actually a normal problem. This is a bug. It's submitted. This is assigned to me because I'll finish it. This is request for change. Alright, great. Cool. So I'm just putting that in there just to keep tracking it. And what I'll do is I'll see if it happens somewhere else. So let's go to tasks. So I'm going to open up new project because we've got where's the line? It's up at the top. We've got this lovely little sentence. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And what we want to do is go down to tasks. So we'll test this out in tasks too. So we'll just bang it in like that, add another special line, everyone's happy, task information, all right. So we can do stuff in here. So let's implement the mixins first. So import, upload mixin from bang, mixins, and then upload mixin, like so. Scroll down to our mixins, little array, upload mixin, bang that in there, everyone's happy. Then up here, file picker types, and that will be image. And then it'll be image, upload images, upload handler, and we'll do upload image, which is actually in the mixin. And then here we do paste. So let's create a new task. Have ability for users to paste images into the mouse section. All right. I'll just we'll just put please paste image here. I am a lonely tiny mouse widget. Let's give it all group access. Let's do the drag. All right, it doesn't work here either. Now, one thing which it should have done then was it should have created this. Let's see what difference we have. that's not going to work. I can't compare both of them side by side like that. File picker types, image. Yep. Image upload, upload image. Ah, I am missing something. Good morning, Rich Codes Web. I hope you're going well. And hey, Nocturnal, welcome, welcome. So we're trying to fix an issue which I've been having where I can't paste an image in here. I think it's because I missed one property. And right now, I'm testing that out. So I think I missed this one little attribute. Fingers crossed. Let's drag the sock speed costume in. Bang. All right, cool. And then what we do is we update task. And we should see socks in there. Sweet. And then we can actually resize this image. So everyone can see little tiny socks. There she is. I'm trying to remember which house this is at. Oh, this is at my old unit. Having a nightmare with code. Seriously, reconsidering how things work. Oh, one of those. Ads. All right. Hopefully in 30 seconds you'll be back. I don't know how long 30 seconds are. All right, you're back. Do apologize. I do actually try and keep my ads to a bare minimum. So yeah, sorry about that. It looks like it worked. So I was literally, and I just undid a lot of code too. I literally was just missing one property, and that was it. That's why it wasn't working. So yeah. However, at the same time, I think I found a bug in Tiny Mouse though. Back, I think it was just timing well. Yeah. I had a fun one yesterday. Co-worker was ill, so I had to cover a meeting outside of my normal working hours. Ooh. New workspace. Yes, so I'm in South Korea at the moment for this week and then in Thailand next week. So working vacation really. I'm just moving around and then back home in November. So yeah. As for working outside hours, yeah, I'm not a big fan about that. Unless I get to like sleep in or something like that. Oh, cheers, thank you. Solo jollies. I'm actually with my partner who's having a holiday. I've still got to do my 9 to 5, which is really 7:30 to 3:30 here, which actually works really well because by 3:30 I can have a shower, go outside. It's 4 o'clock. I can wander and do touristy stuff, and then yeah. Definitely, I would definitely agree. Anyway, excuse me for eating. It is, what's the time here? 6 o'clock. Yeah, those meetings are great. But at the moment, that being said, everything's good for me, so it's not so bad. Because I'm working like earlier hours and kind of enjoying it. Now that we're done task information, I reckon I can fix this up. So we're missing that one plug. Okay. So we should be able to paste socks in here. should work. All right. I'm just doing the copy paste. Yes. All right. Let's just size so everyone can see Socks in a little cute bee outfit. She's being cute. What's happening with the putty cats? Though? Yes. So currently the cats are at Hotel Mum, and she's enjoying having their company. We are receiving quite a number of pictures, which is good. Seems like they're not stressed now, which is good. No. Oh, do we have another bug? All right, this is not a fun bug. Why? Okay, so I can save it here. But not when I... Okay. Your cats are a little freaked out at the moment. Oh no. Moving in just over a week with lots of boxes and furniture is disappearing. Yes. Yeah, no, I fully understand. They're like, what's going on? Type of mode. Yeah. Are they clingy? Or do they just run and hide? I heard a cat who used to freak out if you moved the furniture. Don't know why. Don't know why he freaked out about that. Alright, so paste data, image upload. Yep. Hyper and skittish. Okay, yep. And then you like walk in the room and they don't know you're there, and they turn around and see you and they're like, and they do that little jump. Oh. Trust me to make a mess, I'm terribly sorry. I'm usually really good at chopsticks. Alright. I better throw that out. My cat seems to want me to be the sofa all the time at the moment. Yep. Oh, okay. Yep. Aw, she's cuddling. One of them stress licks, so he currently has. Oh, yes, amputee Amber used to do that. She ended up in the cone of shame. Oh, that's cute. We have blankets on our couch. Oh, I'm struggling with this. All right. So it only has an issue when there's... All right. Oh, that is for requirement. I'm not there yet with requirements. I think I know why that's having an issue. So let's do the paste in for here first. Didn't work. All right, let's like, we tried getting a little donut thing for him, but he keeps managing to get out. Oh, she hasn't been like human huss me all the time, but 18 months though. Oh, fair enough. Okay, the reason why this failed is because we just got all undefined for the request for change. We've just got to fuss me. Yep. So we're going to pass information through. All right. Just putting this on the left, I am going to pull out the view X. We're going to have a look at the view X stuff. So up in the view X, we've got destination, request for change. Great, that's what we want. Location 1. And then URLs, we've got the root and the static. All right, cool. So that should be passing information through. Okay, I can get rid of this one line. So in here, we've got the map getters to get the destination and location ID. So it should be pasting it in here. Yeah, when we look at the console, the network, request for change 1 upload. Okay, that's fine. That should be the URL. So we've got undefined at the start. So this .root URL. We haven't defined it. But we have. It's right here. It's in the state. All right. I do apologize if I get food in my beard. It is a common thing. Okay, console log root URL. Let's have a look at the console. Oh, wait, I've got to reload. Oh wow, Ethernet everywhere. Looks like they have done a good job, but when I looked at the place, they have routed everything back till it doesn't look like it labeled. Oh no, no labeled ports. Yes, that will be a fun time. I mean, I've never had to do that. I've never had to figure out ports with the ports, but should be pretty easy. Just connect one internet cable through and just test it. trying to think if there's a clever way than that. I'm sure there is. But yeah. Good luck. URL undefined. Alright. So. Get destination. So we are in RFCs. Let's find out where we get the root URL from. So we need to go to the Python side of things. Go into the views. So we've got request for change views. Oh no, we don't need the views. Sorry, we need the templates. Request for change. So we're not worrying about new requests for change because you can't be able to paste images into those. RC information. Root URL. It's coming in from up here into RFC information. Okay. RFC information, where are you? There you are. I've got to scroll down to here. So the root URL is coming through. So it is updating the URLs. So under the RFC, oh, this thing's crashed, hasn't it? All right, this thing has crashed. Oh, that's great. Sorry. Alright. I'm going to go to this component. We've got URLs here. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this tab. I am going to go to an open project because everything's working in the project, so I've probably missed something. So on the Vuex, we've got the URLs right there. None of the components are showing up. That's a lovely error. I don't know why that's showing up. So, the idea with this is getting that data. It's getting the location ID, but for some strange reason, just not the destination. Now, that might be because I'm setting something wrong. So going down here, I'm going to find out how I'm setting it for the modules. So let's open up modules. Parents module. So update URL. This is how it's updating. So RFC information. Let's scroll down. Let's go to the update URL. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's just copy this. Paste it. Looks the same. Root URL. Cool. Waiting for that test to compile. Root URL. There we go. Few X URLs. Yep. Failed. Shit didn't work. Saying it's undefined. Oh. Okay. Yeah, undefined. In reality, that should be just a /. Yeah, it works with projects. I'm scrolling up on the wrong thing. Location ID is working. Because if we go over here, we can see that it's got a 1, which matches the location ID. It's just... Oh, I know why. Actually, no, I know why. I stupidly didn't get the root URL. And it was just a fluke that it was working. There we go. Took me a couple of 10 minutes. Okay, let's hit refresh. Could not establish connection. Receiving and does not exist. What? That error. Don't know what that error is, but let's... All right, this works. All right, quick fix. Okay. So we've done one thing in the request for change. Now to do the rest. So, backup plan. So I'm just breaking these up. this would be mixins. Upload mixin from okay, and then we'll have mixins, that's an array, and upload mixin. All right, cool. Easy, done. So now that that is implemented, we just need to go up here. It is, the first one is file picker types equals image. We've then got image upload handler, upload image. And then here after this, it is paste data images is true. That was the issue we were having before. And then here we have paste. Right. And then implementation plan, we just got to implement the same thing. So we want to state that these are validations. We want to state that this is tiny mouse. I'm going to state this is mixins. So import, upload, mixin from bang, mixins, upload mixin. Alright, we go down here, we just go mixins, upload mixin. And then file picker types is image. This would be image upload handler. It would be upload image. And then in here was the one we forgot, paste. Data images is true. And then we just go paste. So, yeah. So I'm going to group these widgets. All right, cool. So what we want is, we want file type picker, image, we want image, upload image, paste, true, and then paste in here. Cool. This should be the last one for the RFCs. So we've got validations and then tiny mouse editor. And then we have the mixins. Import upload mixin from bang, and then mixins. Upload, yep. And then we just want to do it right here, so mixins. Oh. So images or image? Image. So file picker types, height, not paste, it would be image. Upload handler would be upload image. and then paste data images is true, and then we've got to have and then paste. Cool. So this should take not long to compile. So we've got it there. What we'll do is we'll paste it in there. Excuse me. There's nothing in there. So if we hit reload, we'll see an image here, which is good. We'll see an image here, yep. An image here, yep. Image here, yep. Image here, yep. There's no images there. All right, and we should implement an image in here. So at the moment, it works. There should be a save button on this. This is draft. Okay, give me a minute. Sorry, finding out why. Cancel, delete, save. User level is greater than 2. So change task status. Going back to the components. I'm loving these bugs. Change task to information. So user level is 4. Great. RFC status is, it's just draft, not 1. All right. Oh, no, undo. Change task status. So, this one, first array, fields, change task status is 3. Why are you a 3? All right, let's have a look in the back end. Oh, okay. I must have done something to get it to that state. There we go. And then if we paste an image in and hit save, nothing happened. Okay. Oh, we've got an error. All right, let's see what the backend said. Okay. Data upload memory size. Oh, so we're here to that. All right. Cool. All right, let's clear this. Let's clear this. Let's paste in an image. No, so it didn't actually send it to the back end. So I need to program this in. So the change task description. So if we go to change task information, find change task description. Description, optional. Here we go. We haven't done anything here. So what we need to do is we'll need to know, I've already forgotten the three things. It is file picker types. Right, we would also need to do, I'll just copy this. Paste data images true, and then paste. Right. So we also then need to over here. So we've got Axios. Widgets. And then we've got mix-ins. Right, down here we will have mix-ins, and we'll have upload mix-in. Okay, cool. We'll need to key in the mix-in here. Import upload mix-in from mix-in. There we go. Mix-ins and then upload mix-in. Cool. Oh, we've actually got that up there. Oh, doesn't matter. Here it is. So, this has just done its thing. So if we hit refresh and we paste in the image, it didn't work because unknown. Oh. Okay. Not a problem. It's because something pretty simple. So it just doesn't know that this is a change task. I've now got to double check all the rules. I don't know if I can have it as a change task or if it'll be an RFC. I do believe this will... Oh, we should be keying this through as an RFC because that's where all the permissions are. Okay. At the end of this, we have mounted. Double checking that is actually the correct way of doing this because it's been a while since I did. Yeah, it's not. It is a function. All right. So mountain's a function, and then send data to store. So we actually have a look over here. We'll go to the view components, stuff like that. We'll have a look at the view X. You'll notice it's all blank because it probably has a bug in it where it does this every now and then. If you redo that again and go to view X, you'll notice that Great. We don't care about RSC, the user level. We haven't actually filtered that up. Kanban stuff. Destination, unknown. So we'll need to set these two. In this sort of specific case, we really shouldn't be setting it as RFC because this really technically isn't an RFC, this is a change task. However, the images get uploaded to, yeah. Alright. One thing I do need to check is I've got a mix-in that checks to make sure that certain values are hit. Alright. Sorry, not a mix-in, decorators. So this is the check destination. So we've got customer, I've got Kanban board, I've got all this sort of stuff. I've now got to add in change task. Okay, and let's nothing happens here with this particular mounted, but the RFC information does have something mounted. So what we want to do with this, very similar to here, where we're updating upstream, like the static and the root URL. I should get rid of this line here. We'll need to do that with the destination and location. Oh. I just need to figure out update destination. So it'll be this particular code here. And we want that on the change task. Now the problem is do believe we got the location ID. No, we don't. Change task results. All right. This will become change task. All right. And this will be this dot change task results. We want the first array. We then want to get the key, so the primary key, and that will be it. Okay, so if I just let that reload, all right. something break. Am I getting another view bug? I'm getting another view bug. Change task, location 2. Great. So the idea is when we paste in an image, something failed, but we can now track it properly. So we got a 500 error. We don't have a response why it's a 500 error, so we go into the back end. Internal functions, line 51, set object from destination. All right, so internal functions has an issue. So that's not part of that, that's part of the views. Tools, internal functions, line, what line? You said 51. 51, set attribute. Okay, internal function. This function is used to set data against an object using the destination and location data. All right, so input object, destination, object, destination, get location ID. Okay. So change task will work. It's the location. So I do believe it's the input location which we're having issues with here. So what I want to do is now the input location most likely will be so I'm just having a think, because the input location is most likely a object assignment. If we have a look at an object assignment, it's got pretty much everything in there, but change tasks. Because initially change tasks were not connected to any other objects. And in this sort of case, we're connecting it to a document. We've got meta stuff in there, which you've got to test. So yeah, this is a list of all objects in NearBeach. This table just means like, all right, these are connected. An easy fix for this is to send up into the Vuex that on this particular page it's an RFC instead. I'm not the biggest fan of doing that, just because it can cause confusion, but it will solve this. All right. see information. What change did I make? I don't know. All right. Hello? View? Okay, down here we want that. We want fields, and we want request to change. All right. All right. The other thing is I can write a custom function for this. And I'm kind of liking that idea because this is just slightly different enough that the usual method does not work. So I'm going to actually write a custom function. I don't want to send up the wrong data into the store or anything like that, just for some crazy thing, because later down the track, it's going to be a lot harder for me to actually understand why I've done that. So I can get rid of the mixin in this sort of case, because we've got a custom functionality. Okay, so up here in the editor, wherever the editor went, custom upload image will be a great title for this. Okay, cool. It'll be a simple function, and essentially we can copy this. So from 17 to 43. Oh. So it will be very similar to this. So we create the form, great. We grab all the form sort of stuff, configure for Axios on progress. So that's going to be exactly the same. It's this URL which is going to be different. So in this sort of specific case, I'm actually going to put the URL out here, create URL. So const URL equals, and then we're just going to do that. We're going to have root URL documentation, and then what we want to do is this will be request for change. So it would be should be that, I do believe. So I'm just checking my activity feed. All right, cool. And then the location will be the RFC's location. So that would be this dot change task results. We want the first in the array, and then field dot request for change. That will be a number, and then we just need to tell it to upload. Okay, cool. So that's why that's on a different line, and then what I need to do, remove that and just put it in URL. And it's going to be pretty much the rest of the code is going to be the exact same. This saves me having, for this specific special case, it saves me having to have something overly engineered or stupid to put in here, whereas it's slightly different, this function, it will work fine. Okay, cool. Let's hit reload. Let's copy the socks image. Let's go down, let's paste. Blob info is not defined. Oh. There is one thing which I forgot to actually do. So blob info, success, failure, and progress. I've already forgotten the order, that was bad. Success, failure, progress. Okay. Just we're gonna have to wait a little tiny second, and then we're gonna paste this in. It looks like we haven't had any issue. We're gonna hit save. We haven't had any network issues come through. I'm just gonna hit piss off notes. You bastard. All right, we're gonna hit save again. Oh, internal response. Check user permissions, line 25 in a got unexpected T-word argument user level. Okay, check user permissions 25. So we want decorators, check user permissions, line 25. This is probably change task information save. Oh, I know this issue. All right, let's go to the views. Okay, change task information. I need to get these in there. They are in there for delete. Not in there for save. Okay, so that's rerunning. Let's just reload. So we can paste. And we can save. And it stays in there. Perfect. So people can start actually keying in images now. And the best thing is this gets connected to the RFC. Now the RFC in itself, no, sorry, I didn't actually test coming back here. The RFC itself doesn't have a tab for documentation and stuff like that. That is something we could potentially put in very easily. However, at the moment, we just haven't. The problem with keying these in like this is that it loses context if I have a document tab. That will actually happen with the other ones. I am hoping that I could potentially add the ability for people to be able to drag and drop those images later. So yeah. Anyway. So we've just finished RFC. Cool. I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to get rid of all of those. Don't need that. Don't need that. So that's probably the best way that I could have implemented that. I didn't need to implement it against the change task. Because once again, the change task there's no permissions against the change task. The permissions come from the RFC that change task is assigned to. So we've got to do that image to have it assigned to the RFC. It just appears under the change task. So yeah. So now that I've done that, let's list all. So we've done requests for change. Let's do requirements. We'll have those issues where when we try to save it, it was having issues. So let's actually bring up this. Let's bring up our network. Let's make sure we are actually saving this image. This has not been saved. Otherwise it would have created a network thing. All right. So let's close most of this. Let's keep this. Actually, let's close this too. All right. So this is a requirement information. So straight off the bat, here's the editor. We are going to put in file. I already forget what it was called. So I don't know. All right, bring up project. File picker types. And then this was image upload handler. We'll keep the upload image because it'll be the exact same. In here we need the paste data images set to true. We need to bang 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 and put the paste in here. We need to go right down to here. So JavaScript libraries. Oh, that's pretty cool. I've kept it like that. I'm going to import upload mixin from bang 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 mixins and then upload mixins. Mixins, upload mixins. All right, cool. Now that should just work. Gonna delete all the network, gonna hit paste. Still didn't send it, but if I refresh now, just in case it took a little while to compile. Right, it didn't do jack. Upload image. Just putting a console log in here. Fun time, my home insurance never got completed because the person dealing with it left the company. I just signed up for it online. The company is rebuilding their system and it not only broken, but apparently my account doesn't even get created for 24 hours. Holy hell. That is just frustrating. Damn. That is not fun. Trying to think, when was the last time it took me to create something that took... not even getting a bank account takes that long. Hell, I got a bank account over the phone. Actually, I got a business account, and I think it took... it didn't take long to set up, but it took about a week for the cards to send with all the proper information and stuff like that. And that's it. That was held up just because of postage. Yeah, and they're sending the documents to the house I don't live in. Oh, great fun. You can tell that they're very organized. Oop, wrong page. Wait. Okay, upload image. I've got to save. Let's make sure I'm still running this. The joys of moving. Let's just say I'm not jealous of you at the moment. It's not fun. Moving ain't fun. Okay. Alright, so requirement information. Am I doing something really stupid again? Probably a stupid event-driven system which is completely over-engineered yet. And they've never fixed for the outliers. I will say I have had my driver's license, not my driver's license, but my, what was it? I had to renew my drive. What was it? I had to renew something. And essentially I moved house. And they sent it a couple of days later with the old address. It went to the old address. And when I pointed out, hey, what happened here? Like, I've been driving around with a unregistered, it was an unregistered vehicle. I'm like, this shouldn't have happened because it's all controlled in one place. They called me up and was like, why haven't you registered your vehicle? Actually, no, they sent me a letter to the new house being like, you haven't registered your vehicle. And I'm like, oh my God. Fun times. All right. Oh, this is requirement item information. I wonder why this is not working. Well, at least I've done it for requirement item information. Okay, let's get down here. Let's import, upload, mix in from governments, yeah. Well, the thing is, I was a data analysis then. I was like, why aren't you running these queries just to pick up these edge cases? Because you just need to set a cron job, have that spit out something, and just reprocess the bill. And they told me they will think about it. Which means they haven't done jack. Okay, here we need the file, picker types is image, what was it, image, upload image, yep, paste is true, and then we need paste in here. All right. Just let that compile, we'll hit reload, we'll paste that image, it's uploaded the image, okay, upload, and it's successfully updated. All right, cool. So that was the issue here. The requirement items should actually be done because I did that by mistake. Bang, upload image, it's hit it perfectly fine. Update successful, I didn't hit that button hard enough. Alright, cool. Alright, I should actually have my iPad here. Oh, I'll do that later. Alright, requirements are done. So requirements, projects, tasks, request for change. Customers. Actually, let's find. Oh, that's weird. That is weird. I can't click find objects when I'm under search. Okay. There's no, apart from notes. Don't want to put it in notes. Not yet. It'll be something later. Alright. So. Customers. We don't need. Kanban boards. We'll probably need it. But it will have to be a custom function. Or maybe not. Actually, no, it won't be a custom function because we'll grab the same, the Kanban board stuff from, yeah. But the only place we actually got a text editor on the Kanban boards is within the cards themselves, and you still want the permissions on the Kanban. You need that image to be assigned to the Kanban board. Organizations we can skip. New project we're done, new requests for change we're done, requirements we're done, requirement items we're done, and new task we're done. So let's open up a Kanban board. Let's upload images to Kanban boards. Right, let's see if we can upload here. So we won't be able to upload here because it lets me paste it in, but we should be able to. So this is a card description. Let's do new card first. So JS components, card. There's a Kanban board. Kanban. Card information. Alright. New Kanban, no. I honestly don't know where this is. So we'll find it. New Kanban card. Alright, so we're here. File, picker type is image. The image upload handler will be upload image. Paste data images is true, and then paste as that. Right. Import upload mixin from bang 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 mixins, upload mixins. Okay. Let's see if this works. Okay, reload. New card. Oops. Can you see socks? Ooh, that's not going to work. Yeah, bad request. Response. It's just too big. Let me guess. Yeah. Okay. Didn't work this time. Because if we have a look at the URL, we've got documentation, unknown, and upload. So the unknown and 0 means that we haven't actually sent upstream what we are. So as you can see, we just don't know. But that's something easy we can fix. That will be at the Kanban information side of things. So we need Kanban information. Gonna scroll down. So we've got the location ID. We just need to tell what the destination is. So when it's mounted, we're updating that. Let me commit update destination. So we just need to do this. Just copy and paste. So in this sort of case, we haven't set the destination, but it would be Kanban board. And hey, Lycan, how have you been? Long time no see. I'm in a new location. Well, actually, I'm still in Korea. So, been here for 3 weeks. Been enjoying it, which is great. And now I forgot what I was looking up. Oh, yeah. Yep, no, I remember. Internal functions. Object dictionary. So Kanban board. So we explicitly define there is a difference between a Kanban board and Kanban card. Not too bad. Have you been? Yeah, I can't complain. I've been having fun in Korea. Been walking heaps. Did 29,000 steps the other day. So yeah. I will eventually get more and more steps. That should send up that information upstream. It's okay that that's a string. We don't really... It's going to be a string at one point, and it's fine here. So if we hit refresh, Kanban board 3, perfect. So if we go new card, copy B costume socks into here, we don't have any issues. I'm going to say, yay, can you see socks? And then add card. And when I double click on this and hit the description, we can actually see socks still. Which is good. We just haven't programmed the pasting of the image in here just yet. So, shortly. Okay, so that's part of the card information. So we've got card details, card description that we want to edit. So we have been enjoying snow flurries yesterday. Holy hell! And this morning it's 1 degree Celsius. Whoa, that is a little bit cold. File picker types is going to be image. This is image. Upload handler, upload image. Paste data is going to be true. And then we work. Sorry, I like to split these up just a little bit better. I'm getting better at splitting things up. And then let's upload, mix in from, bang, 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 mix ins, upload, mix in. Right, computed methods. That's an array, and then we've got upload, mix in. And that should work in theory. Okay, so we can't see socks in here, but if we paste in socks and update the card and do a refresh, there she is. And in here, I don't think I did this right. Paste this in. It sent the data out. And it's retrieved the data back. Gonna update the card. We should see her there. Yep. We should now see her in both. Yep. All right, cool. That was easy. Okay. I can close this. I can check my little things that I wanted to do tonight. So remove prices from the NearBeach site. I've done that. Add ability for users to paste images into Tiny Mouse. I've done that. All right. Cool. I am pretty much happy where I am at the moment. So, prod.nearbeach.app. Tonight I'll be streaming. I haven't updated this in a while. I'll stream NearBeach, fix up, layout dashboard better. Yeah, I should be doing design Canvas. Yeah, I should be doing a lot of this better. Let's go back though. New features for NearBeach. Okay. Add abilities to upload images into Tiny Mouse. So this is review and QA. So let's go over here. Let's bang this out. npm run prod. Sorry, this does take a little while to compile. All right, cool. It just took 31 seconds. All right, good status. These are new files, which we're happy with. I've got to figure out why these are numbers. There's probably a better way to actually get these to actually show, and like kind of like this. But as you can see, these are split really tiny. It's complaining about the image sizes and stuff like that, but that's perfectly fine. Yep. Okay, good. Git, commit. I should check the branches before adding that in. That was a bit stupid of me. What was this card number? Card 173. 3, added in the ability for users to paste in images into the Tiny Mouse widgets. Push set upstream origin development 0.29.7. Okay. So if you guys want to play with that, you can download the source code tonight and set up your own development environment. If you want to know how to set that up, go to nearbeach.readdocs.io, hit the simple development environment right up here, and just follow this. It's pretty simple to do. Essentially, you clone it right all the way down, and then you just set up a username and run it. So pretty simple. If you want us to edit stuff, you will need to actually do npm run, install, and all that kind of fun stuff. So the front-end JavaScript will compile for you. But I've just pushed a prod version of the code, so you won't need to worry about that at all. All right, it is getting rather late here. It's getting 8 o'clock here. I've run out of stuff to do for tonight that I can do on stream. So let's rate some coding butter. What are they doing at the moment? Oh, an ad. All right. Cool. I'm getting quite a lot of Korean ads at the moment. So, yeah. You should also, whilst we're doing that, I am going to bring up the roadmap very quickly. Roadmap 2022. So we're in October. Fix up RFCs, we're pretty much completed. Bug fixes, we did that, some of that, but we'll continue to do that. Hacktoberfest, that is still ongoing, but that is starting off. The design efforts and sprints at the moment. I don't know. We'll figure that out. Gotta love how the ad's tailored to the location. Yes. So what we'll do is we'll rate coding butter. And yeah. So raid. Paste that in. So yes, thank you very much everyone who came this evening. It's been very productive. We've essentially added in a feature that I didn't think was actually quite possible until I was like, you know what? Oh, wrong screen. You know what? I'm going to try it. I've got 3 hours on this bullet train. Let's see if I can do it at least for one component in there. And it turned out to be really freaking simple. So yes, now that we've actually implemented everywhere, excluding when you create a new object because of security reasons, yeah, I'm happy. So yeah. I will be streaming again on Thursday, so in 2 days, not tomorrow, but the day after, I'll be streaming same time, so it'll be 5:30 till around about now. I might go a bit later. That is in Korean time, so adjust the time how you please. Anyway, thank you very much everyone, and have a good evening. So, see ya.